welcome back. It may be spring, but it sure doesn't look like it here in Cleveland, Ohio. Let's take a look. People here woke up to several inches of snow on the ground. Some areas saw as much as 6 inches of snowfall. The storm downed trees and power lines in some places, and it's not over yet. Forecasters say that there's a chance of more snowfall this afternoon and tomorrow morning. They expect temperatures to reach into the low 40s tomorrow. My mom was even saying that they got snow back in Pennsylvania, so glad we don't have it. So what do things look like?
Yeah, surprises of spring. We don't have any of those kinds of surprises, but we do have very dry air today, and that's causing some red flag warnings to be in effect. Those red flag warnings are in effect for Sioux City, parts of northeast Nebraska, southeast South Dakota, and northwest Iowa. So there's that red flag warning in effect until 7 p.m. You want to avoid outdoor burning. Fires will spread very rapidly. Look at how dry this air is, really only down to 20% relative humidity for most of the area, just very dry air. And it's this dry air that also helped us get very cold this morning. I'll show you that low in a few minutes. But wind speeds, again, this is just the wind speed. It's sustained at 25 to 30 miles per hour with gust 30 in some places, even nearing 40 miles per hour, at 41 miles per hour in Sheldon, 40 in Spencer. So very easy to get those fires to spread. As far as our wind gusts, it's been a pretty windy week. Those gusts will taper off overnight. It will not be as breezy tomorrow. It will still have winds around 20 miles per hour, but I don't think we'll see any gusts. And those winds will be calm for Monday as well, but they pick up by midweek as we bring in some warmer temperatures. Our temperatures now are a few degrees shy of normal. We're at 56 in Sioux City, 60s in Nebraska. Clouds kept northern Iowa in the 40s for much of the day, so just a touch cooler than normal. Tomorrow will get warmer. We're looking at low 60s, maybe some upper 50s, but much warmer tomorrow. Then we take a break from the warm-up. We have cooler temperatures in the forecast for Monday, low 50s, and then for the rest of the week, it'll be a slow climb. We're turning our 50s into 70s by the time we get towards Thursday, Friday. So there are some of those clouds from this morning that kept you guys in northern Iowa in some of those 40s, but lots of sunshine for us today. We'll continue with the clear skies through the overnight. A few sprinkles possible, but by the morning we'll have mild temperatures and much less wind, our low of 40 degrees. So here's Stormcast, a warm front, the culprit of these breezy winds and some of that southerly flow. Tonight we'll still have some clear skies, but we could see a sprinkle or two with the air so dry it might just not reach the ground. Breezy winds get out of the way tomorrow with the clouds and whatever sprinkles might be left over. Warmer temperatures behind the cold front. I'll explain that in a second, but warmer low 60s for tomorrow, really nice. And then cooler temperatures come into the forecast for Monday. We're looking at low 50s for Monday, kind of a delay with that cold front getting in some of those cooler temperatures. And then again, an uphill climb to 70 as we head towards the rest of the week with sunshine. So here's the jet stream. We do have that bulge pretty much over the eastern seaboard. That's where the cold air is, and this is how it's kind of been all week. Now with this front passing, we're going to see a west to east flow. That's going to keep the cold air up there in Canada, so it's kind of delayed a day. That's why it will be warm tomorrow, but then this bulge kind of gets closer to us for Monday, and that's where we'll kind of get a taste of some of those cooler temperatures, those cooler Canadian temperatures for Monday. But then again, uphill for the rest of the week. It's looking good from here. Lots of sunshine in Storm Lake and in downtown Sioux City on the Port Neowalty Company Skycam HD. Just a beautiful day, but check out this morning's low, 19 degrees. The record is at 16, so we just missed it by 3 degrees. That record from 1928, our low today, cooler than normal, 56 degrees right now with sunshine. So tonight, 40 degrees, a few sprinkles, much milder, but still breezy with gusts to 30 miles per hour. Tomorrow, 63, less wind, more clouds, but warmer, so not too bad. Those winds out of the northwest, 10 to 20 miles per hour. The 7-day has that brief warm-up Sunday, cooler Monday, and then that slow climb to 70. We're turning our 50s on Monday and Tuesday to 70s by Thursday with some breezy winds and sunshine.
Looking forward to those 70s. My goodness. So this coming, not this weekend, next weekend, it's going to be beautiful.
Yeah.
So excited. Thanks so much, Elise.